Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monette, Aurora, Mount Vernon, Mariannville, Sarticsy, Pier City, Miller, Verona, Fairview, Stock City, Pioneer, Fries. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Stone County, eastern McDonald County, Berry County, until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:18 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Wheaton, or 10 miles west of Casto, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Table Rock Lake, Roaring River State Park, Casto, Crane, Purdy, Reed Spring, Exeter, Wheaton, Butterfield, Galena, Washburn, McCord Bend, Curly, Cape Fair, Wheelerville, Jenkins, Wayne, McDonald, Ridgely, Rocky Comfort. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 a.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Missouri. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Missouri: Berry, McDonald, and Stone. The National Weather Service in Springfield